What is up, YouTube? Intricate Explorer here today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do adventure photography. I go to different places, I explore them, and I talk about the photography I do while I'm there. So for today, or actually tomorrow morning at sunrise, me and a few buddies are going down to Colorado Springs to do the Incline, which is a massive staircase that's literally embedded and built into the mountain. I want to say it's like a mile or two long, but you hike from the bottom to the top through an entire staircase. So we're waking up around 4:30 a.m. tomorrow. The sunrise at 5:30. We're gonna try and make it to the top by then, get some cool shots. This is Dylan, by the way. You've met him before. He does the Ironman vlog stuff. So we're gonna go pick up Alan now. Look at that view up there.
Look at that shit car in front of us. Oh wait, it's a Prius.
Meet Alan. This is Alan. You may have met him before. He's killing a giant ant farm. All right, guys, it is 4:20 a.m. Happy 4:20, and we're going to Manitou Springs for the Incline. I'm fucking exhausted. I got like 3 hours of sleep, but that's just how it goes with these super early hikes. So they're in the bathroom at a 7-Eleven right now. It's gonna be super awesome. I'm excited. These sunset hikes are always literally the best. The hardest part about them is just getting up. Like, honestly, like that moment where you lay in bed and your alarm goes off and you're like, should I do this or should I not? If you just make that decision, then it will go well, I promise. That's just the hardest part. My goal is to get like one good shot of like the staircase with me walking up it with the sunrise in the background. So that's my goal shot, because the sunrise is right across from it, so you'll see that sun in the background. So we're hiking the trail right now. You can see the sunrise way off in the distance over there. Dylan's been shitting like crazy. He literally just shit on the side of the road on the way here because he ate some, I don't know, salmon or something.
Alan's mom's food.
Yeah, some like raw pork or something. It's like 5 o'clock a.m. so we started like a half hour late. So we're just gonna try and book it to the top and at least get a shot like halfway up or something right when the sun starts rising. And the better parts of the sunrise are always like 15-20 minutes after the sun officially starts popping over the horizon. So I think we're gonna arrive at the top right at the best part. So all right, ladies and gentlemen, this is it, the start of the Manitou Incline. As you can see, there's a staircase and it just goes up for like a mile or two. No dogs. Warning. 2,744 steps is not a walk in the park. Listen to all those birds. It's the best part at sunrise. The birds are going fucking ape. All right, so while I'm going up this, let's talk about what I brought up. So I'm vlogging on the 24-70mm lens. I also brought the 10-18mm because I want to get like a wide shot of the stairs going way up and add that distortion of very tallness. I also got my tripod too. So I'm kind of covering heat right now. I literally ran a marathon a month and a half ago. I trained for it for 5 months. I was the biggest, worst person in cross country track in high school. I actually dropped out of cross country. And then I went all of college without running or doing really any exercise besides like hiking, mountaineering, and finally trained for that marathon, did it, finished a month and a half ago, and I hadn't exercised since. So this is my first like big thing since that. It's kind of crazy how fast you lose muscle. Like, I literally ran 26 miles a month and a half ago, and now I'm fucking exhausted hiking this little fucking staircase. So I guess you just gotta keep running and staying in shape if you want to do shit like this, because apparently there's a lot of professional athletes who run up this thing on a regular basis as a training. It's really popular. In fact, almost the entire parking lot was full when we got here for sunrise, which was honestly even more surprising. There she blows. Sunset's coming up more, faster and faster. There, you can kind of vaguely see that. Look how steep that is. We're getting to the steep section right now. Look at that. All right, we got 15 minutes till the actual sunrise starts peeking up. So we're probably about halfway right now. All right, so I'm trying to make it to the top of this little segment right here. This is actually a false summit. So it looks like the top, but it's actually not. but I'm trying to make it there before the sun starts peeking its head up. All right, almost there, getting closer. Sunrises are way better than sunsets. I made a whole video about this. I'll drop it above, but literally so many less people on the trails. Like there's, I don't know why the parking lot was full, but there's literally like maybe 7 people on the entire incline right now. And this is a Saturday morning in the fucking summer. It's supposed to be 80 today. So in like, I don't know, a few hours, this place is gonna be fucking packed. Like you probably won't even be able to walk up this without people everywhere. It's gonna be like Disneyland. This is one of the most famous things in Colorado Springs. That's what we've come down so far, or come up so far. That looks fucking nuts. Sunrise. See a few people on it. All right, staircase 2000. There we go. You can see it's sunrise because the orange is starting to hit the staircase. I was looking for that light. And here it is poking its head through over there. Quite a few more people on the trail now. Yeah, we're getting high. All right, reached the fall summit. See the actual summit up there. I'm gonna stop and try and get a cool picture here. All right, so got the dope photo. I had to switch to 10 to 18 millimeters, so I'm glad I brought it because 24 millimeters just wasn't wide enough to get the full like sky, bottom, staircase, everything in it. So we're at the fall summit right now and it's fucking gorgeous. And I love this lens. It's the 10 to 18 millimeter Leoa full frame shot, and it's dope because it's the way the blades are, it makes the sun look like a star. Like basically no matter where you shoot it from. So Alan already made it to the top because he's a rock star.
What's up, guys? I thought you already made it to the top.
Me? No, I've been here taking photos the whole time.
No, we're fucking with you. I thought you were serious.
Yeah, so basically I just ran in and out of frame for like 20 minutes trying to get perfect shot. But finally found it. So look, perfect timing. Look at all these people coming up. It's just like a storm.
At least 20 minutes now.
Boom. And just like that, the sunset went into a cloud and disappeared. It's crazy how sunsets can only last for a couple minutes. That was literally like a 10 minutes of good light, and it's just gone to a cloud. Fuck. So close to the top. See that dude at the top up there. Keep going. Just keep fucking going through it. So close. But it's getting further because the camera's going the 10 millimeters and looks further. I'm actually just 10 steps away. So close. Boom! Done. Made it up the fucking incline. Fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck that place.
Look at the sunrise.
Yeah.
Fucking, give me like 2 seconds.
Alright, so as you can see, the hordes of people starting to come up. Beat it right in time. My advice would be to take a photo at the fall summit, because when you get to the top summit, when you look down, you can see this little dip. I'll actually show you. So you can see a dip and you can't get like the full spectrum of the trail and what the shot actually looks like. So as you can see, you can only see to the fall summit, right? This will go in focus. There you go. So you can only see to the fall summit right there. You can't see the whole trail, but when you're at the fall summit, you can see almost the entire thing like a wave. So it's a lot better spot to take a photo at. Heading back down, we're going down this trail called, it's the Bar Trail, I believe, which is basically just like a more normal way back down. And it's a little bit more scenic than straight up the incline. So yeah, we did it, we finished the incline.
I was about to start vlogging, but I can't do it while you're doing.
So yeah, that's that. It was a good time. I would highly recommend doing it, especially super early in the morning. So drop me a like, subscribe, ask me any questions, and I'll catch you later.
Follow Dylan
Peace.
Emerson.